Lesson number 2, how to do competitive research on other channels. You should already have an idea of what you want to do with your channel, what you want to make your videos about, what niche you're targeting. The next step is to understand who you're competing with for your audience's attention. You should start by understanding what is already ranking high and getting the most traffic within your niche. What titles and topics are they using? What do their video descriptions sound like? What do their thumbnails look like? Which videos are getting the most views? Which video would you click on if you were presented with the same options on a page? Remember when we said this would require a lot of work? Well, this is part of that work. Putting in the time to really understand your niche and what viewers searching for similar videos are actually watching. This is that research, and this will really help you ultimately in the long run. We're going to dive right into a video we put together to kind of walk you through this process live.
What we're going to do is we're going to hop on over to youtube.com and we're going to type in Instant Pot and see what we get. So I'm not going to click enter just yet because I'm interested in getting an idea of what kind of potential keywords that we could rank on, or what potential videos that we can create. And we'll talk more about this in the next video. But for now, let's just do some basic keyword brainstorming and then, of course, do some competitive research. So Instant Pot, we got Instant Pot recipes, we got Instant Pot ribs, Instant Pot roast. So let's just click here and see what we get. Now we can see how to use Instant Pot has 316,000 views right here. Instant Pot chicken, top 6 easiest things to cook in your Instant Pot. Perfect for beginners. All right. So let's just take a look at the top 3. So let's go ahead and open those up. And let's analyze them. So the first one is this one here. Okay, so how to use the Instant Pot 101 for beginners. So if we think about the type of audience that the Instant Pot attracts, it attracts somebody who has a busy life, who may be a beginner at cooking and just wants a quick and easy meal done fast. So we can see that. So one thing that I like to do is I like to copy the titles to Notepad. Just kind of get an idea of what we're dealing with. So that's the title. Looks like she's promoting an Amazon affiliate link. We can see that here, Amazon.to. We've got Instant Pot hacks, Instant Pot yogurt, and all that. So what she's doing, it's very funny, but she may not realize she's doing this, but what she's using is a method called siloing. And she's basically telling YouTube, hey, not only do I have this video on Instant Pot, I've got Instant Pot hacks, yogurt, recipes, and other recipes. So let's just copy that in here. So that's video number 1. So we're going to rank it from video 1, video 2, and video 3. Let's scroll down a bit. We've got 373 comments. I will say when it comes to YouTube, they're looking for engagement. So comments is good, likes are good, even dislikes are good as well.
So we're going to pause right here because we've broken up this topic into 2 lessons. And the reason is it's because it's really important. Competitive research and keyword research is really the foundation of getting YouTube traffic. That's why all this work we're going to be doing in these next couple lessons are actually really important. I mean, this work is even more important than actually making your videos because really the content of your videos will depend on choosing the right topics. And so you need to create content that will attract viewers by being in demand and unique and not too competitive. That's how you'll get people to actually click on your videos and to even find your videos. So many YouTubers just waste their time making videos that will never rank, and that's why they don't get the traffic. So take a while to digest this, and then we'll continue this in the next video.